All right, welcome back out to the Denmark Drone Park. Here we are with Mohit, our lead software developer for the iVue Robo Control app that we do have screen sharing. So go to worldsiVue.com. That's essentially like our drone operating system. Only one usable app right now. Again, that's the iVue Robo Control app. We'll go ahead and open up the iVue Robo Control app now, just to get it preloaded or set up ahead of getting the Developer Mini configured that we're going to fly. And I say configured, it's already configured, should be ready to fly. As you saw take off briefly in our last video, but now we should be able to fly it entirely with the iVue Robo Control app and or the controller. So we'll do all that testing and make sure that your Developer Mini flying experience will mirror, what we're showing you today. Dun, 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 dun. Hopefully your Developer Mini flying experience is warmer though, and not on Thanksgiving. And if you are getting a Developer Mini pre-built and pre-purchased from us, or I guess you have pre-built and purchased from us, you'll have to install the antenna like I just showed, and then I've discussed this in previous videos as well. But the propellers go on in a specific way as indicated on the propeller itself, and those align with specific motors. Again, the silver tips being on the same diagonal, and then the black tips being on the same diagonal. All right. Who would have thunk? More difficult to put props on with gloves on. All right. And I'm just going to turn Developer Mini away from us so you could see the power being plugged in, or the battery being plugged in. Sound effect necessary. Let's grab our case and let's head back to the computer. So this is the Radio Master Boxer controller we'll be using today. This is what comes with Developer Mini, again, if you buy it pre-built from us. And it has one of these MLRS Bluetooth modules on the back. So now we are going to connect the Bluetooth module in the back here to Mohit's laptop here. So if you're running a Windows computer, you should be able to follow along just as we do here. So here it's saying not connected. Let's go ahead and add drone. Let's see if the Maytech option will work. And we're not getting all that information, but that's because we're not showing a good connection here. Let's see if we get closer. And we really shouldn't have to be this close, so there is some issue going on.
We're getting a connection.
So you're getting all like the satellite information there, battery information there?
15 satellites, 99% battery, 16.69 volts.
All right, and probably just briefly lost information there as the green flashing light in the MLRS Bluetooth module just turned red, but we're back on green, showing that we have a good connection. So let's go ahead and see if we can arm it from the iVue RC app. And we are in, right now we're in altitude hold flight mode, so that means no GPS is needed. I just put it in loiter flight mode. All right, and so Developer Mini is hovering there, and as you can see, it's continuing to raise up. I'm not providing any input on the controller and have provided no input on the controller.
Can I put it into land mode?
All right, go ahead and put it in land flight mode. So the controller, you might have just heard it through my microphone, also just said land flight mode. So again, this controller is actually getting all the information from Developer Mini, relaying it over to the computer via Bluetooth and vice versa. So when Mohit selects an action via Bluetooth or via the iVue RC app, it's sending that information over to this controller via this module via Bluetooth. So there you have it. Developer Mini flying completely through the iVue RC app. And what sort of waypoint did we give it? No waypoints, right?
No
just told
waypoints,
it to take off
just-
and hover?
We just armed it.
We just armed it?
Yeah.
And so afterwards, it was given input. But did you arm and fly or just hit arm?
Arm.
And it still took off by itself?
Yeah, and even more strangely, it said there was an error while sending command for arming it, and it said it failed to set it in land flight mode, even though it was set in land flight mode, for reasons unknown. So that's definitely something we're gonna have to look into with iVue RC.
All right, see if you can create a very simple waypoint mission flying away from me, like closer to the tree, or if you would prefer, if you want to come hold this out here, I'll come and create the waypoint mission.
I'd like you to create the waypoint mission.
All right, and actually, you know what, I'll just set this controller down, and I think we should be good. All right, so here we are back at the computer. I am going to the mission screen, going to select add mission, going to select drone 1 as the drone I am uploading the mission to. And then I just need to press the plus button to start selecting where I would like to set waypoints. This is the tree that I'm pointing at with the trash can out there. I think Brian, our trusty cameraman, will show it off. And we're going to fly Developer Mini between that tree and then this bush that I'm pointing at. So basically along the ridge line that Brian, our cameraman, producer, editor, is parallel to or aligned with. All right. And then we'll do an altitude of 15 feet. And this should be fairly basic. So mission 1, mini waypoint test. It's a mini waypoint test, both by it being a short waypoint mission as well as it being a Developer Mini flight. All right, upload mission to drone. Did you get any audible feedback saying that the mission was uploaded?
No, I did not.
All right, and yeah, I'm not getting feedback in the terminal either. Drone 1. Missions. Well, at least in this localhost version, it does not look like uploading missions is working. Let's try the actual live production version. I'm going to disconnect here. Disconnect. And reconnect. But I might need you to come a little closer. And then you'll see. Come on, come on. Needed him closer to, okay, here we go. We're good. We're connected. All right. So as you can see, Bluetooth is, yeah, Mohit, come closer to me. All right.
Oh, and one more thing, Jacob.
Yes.
The controller stated that there was a mission upload timeout.
Oh, was there? Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Let's see now if I do a waypoint mission upload.
You should also be able to download and upload missions.
So we're going to set the takeoff altitude to 15 feet. And then the waypoint 1 altitude to 20 feet. And again, it's going to fly towards the ridge where there's like the drop off. All right. You're not getting any messages as far as mission upload or anything like that?
The controller buzzed again. I believe it could possibly be another mission upload timeout. Again, same thing, mission upload timeout.
All right. So mission uploading may not be working correctly, but this could also just be a Bluetooth connectivity problem. So I'm going to bring both closer to us and see if this will solve the problem. If not, we'll be back out tomorrow anyway, but this will be one of the problems that we hopefully figure out back at the office or workshop, and then
Flight
back
plan
out
is
here tomorrow to
received.
test.
Flight plan is now received for some reason.
It did?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, mission upload complete. So it looks like it was just a Bluetooth connectivity issue. So if you're creating a mission for your developer mini, do it close to your computer before you actually go set it out and attempt to start it. So let's go ahead and try that now. Maybe we can get Mon to join us as well and do some more setup and configuration work with the MLRS radios. Go ahead and back up just a little bit. All right, so the mission upload has been completed. Now we're going to go back to the drone screen and start the mission. All right, I just hit arm. It says must arm before starting waypoint mission.
You must arm before starting the waypoint mission.
Yeah, but we're clearly already armed, right?
Yes.
All right, so yeah, I hit start waypoint mission and nothing, so.
So what's going on again must be connectivity issues.
That, but I'm also, something else is going on to provide it input. Go ahead and press 2 on the controller.
I pressed 2.
Press 1, then quickly press 2.
I pressed 1 and quickly pressed 2.
All right. Oh, yeah, that's loiter mode. That's right. I was thinking land mode was set up to 2 on this controller, but it's not. So that's my bad. So I'm just manually landing the developer mini, just using the controller here. Just very gently lowering down the throttle stick. As you can see, my hand's not even on it, and you can just have it gently come down just slightly under the center line, the white center line there. And again, still just keeping it just below that white center line until it hits the ground all the way. Then you can bring the stick all the way down, then all the way down to the left. You'll hear motors disarmed, and there you have a mostly successful developer mini flight. So we'll continue troubleshooting some of the issues, notably with these MLRS radios. But I think that's all for today out here at the drone park. Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
And we'll see you in the next video, or you'll see us in the next video.